How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times that made us laugh outweigh the bad. I thought we'd get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't know where this road is going to lead. All I know is where we've been and what we have been through. If we get to see tomorrow, I hope it's worth all the wait. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday.
गुड इवनिंग। सबने तो बनाई है वीडियो। आप सैंडविच खा लो। लो, मम्मी ने बनाया वीडियो। छोड़ो मुझसे।
मैंने तो बोला मैं जानबूझ के नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं जानबूझ के कर रहा हूँ सब कुछ। I am in my whole sense.
Seniors, I know that this is not the kind of farewell which you were expecting, but since the lockdown phase is going on, this was the best which we could do, and we just want to say that you seriously were a great batch, and you were, I don't just want to say this, but you were the gems of the department, and I hope we could follow your steps and make the department proud. But coming back to you from the second years, on behalf of them, I just want to wish you all luck for your future, and I just want that maybe when this lockdown gets over, you can all reunite and we can give you a small little farewell then. Till then, have a very happy future.
Here we all are on the saddest part of our journey. So on the behalf of second year, I wish you all the very best for your future. Though we all are very sad to bid you farewell like this, but what can we do in this pandemic? So we also are very happy to wish you farewell, because there are lots of opportunities which are waiting for you outside. So grab them all and wish you a very happy future. Goodbye.
Well, today is a very, very special day for all of us, as we are bidding goodbyes to one another. Farewell sometimes is taken very, very negatively by relating it to the end of an event, but I take it to be very, very positive, and I relate it to the beginning or a new beginning of a new experience that you are going to have. So I would like to wish you all a very vibrant farewell. Apart from my best wishes to you, I would like to suggest you something, dear students. As I told you that there are no farewells or goodbyes, there are new experiences that you are going to have in your life. This is just a new beginning, a new start. So when you are going to start a new and a mature part of your life, you have to be very much careful in deciding, whether you are going to academia or industry or business. You have to be very much careful in making decisions about your career, because it is going to be very, very crucial phase of your career and life. The second thing that I would like to advise you is whatever you do it with keeping all the universal human values and professional ethics in your mind, such as your honesty, care, integrity, love, truth. These core values will help you develop your character, as well as they will take you forward. So the third thing that I would like to advise today is that never stop learning, because learning, with the help of learning, you will develop your mental horizon. You will experience new things. You will move into unknown territory. You will gain newer perceptions about life and literature. So you have to have this tendency, this attitude in your character. And the other thing is that many of us fail to know or to understand how to learn, because learning is a skill, and we have to know the better ways how we can learn things better. So this is what I would like to say, that first you learn well and then you remove L from it. So coming back to the farewell, I would keep this word at the gradable axis of language and would say beginning and the ending. So I would say that beginning is great and ending is greater. So it is up to you now how you make this ending greater, by keeping the association with your university, with your department, with your your junior students, and with everyone who were there indirectly with you, who were supporting you throughout your education, throughout your stay at the university. Now, finally, I would like to conclude by congratulating you all on the successful completion of your course and a bright and a fruitful career ahead. Thank you.
Hello everybody. This time, due to circumstances, we are giving you all an online farewell. Although this is something none of us had ever heard in our lives before, but well, due to the present circumstances, we have no other alternative. So, as you all are graduating and about to pass out your BA Honours English, I extend my good wishes and blessings to all of you. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Hi final year students, hope all of you are doing fine. None of us thought things would actually turn out this way, but this is how it is now. In fact, whenever we used to think of your farewell, we always used to say that this batch actually deserves a grand farewell, because you've been really adorable kids. You've been there for our disposal, and you've been there for the department, stood up for the right thing, and when it was time for us to pay you back, we couldn't, for unavoidable reasons, of course. In fact, whenever I think of all of you, I'm always reminded of a bunch of hooligans who shout and yell and scream whenever a teacher enters inside the classroom. And I always used to wonder, ki hua kya hai? Are they excited? Are they scared? What's the reason? But at the same time, the celebrity feeling that you gave us, I really used to enjoy that, and I'm now going to miss all of it. You know what's the saddest part in saying goodbye to anyone? It's actually a realization that, things will never be the same as they were before. The class will not be the same. I'm sure now when I'm going to go back and see the same benches, look at the same class, it will no more be the same. Aditi, Dipali, Dipakshi जैसी friendship देखने को नहीं मिलेगी. सृष्टि जैसा भोलापन, और प्रीति और राज और राघव जैसी मासूमियत, हिमांशु जैसी बेमिसाल शायरी अब कौन सुनाएगा, हर्षिता जैसा गिद्दा अब कौन पाएगा, और मेहुल जैसे हर टीचर को बात बात पे अब कौन सताएगा, प्रणव, सिमरन, ऋतु, मुस्कान जैसे 4 घंटे लगातार 4 घंटे कौन खाएगा, जशनदीप जैसे रो रो के सर पे क्लास कौन उठाएगा, भूमिका जैसी नौटंकी से पूरी क्लास को करके कौन हंसाएगा, एक जैसी प्यारी स्माइल अब कहाँ देखने को मिलेगी, देवस्थली को शिवांग के अलावा डायरेक्शन कौन दिखाएगा, और प्रतिभा, मानसी, प्रशंसा, इन जैसे इनके ठुमकों से स्टेज पे अब आग कौन लगाएगा, और फरीहा जैसे फर्स्ट एग्जाम में ही कौन छक्का मार जाएगा, शगुन और प्रेरणा जैसे हम पे इतना प्यार कौन बरसाएगा, हमें इतना पैम्पर कौन करेगा, टीचर्स डे, बर्थडे इतना स्पेशल कौन बनाएगा, अंकुर, अंशा, अंजलि, प्रणव, मुस्कान, सिमरन, ऋतु, इनके जैसे अनट्रेन्ड टीचर्स को, एंड माइंडेड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट शिप्रा एंड याचना बिकॉज आई नो हाउ टू डांस, इनके जैसे अनट्रेन्ड इन जैसे अनट्रेन्ड टीचर्स को डांस कौन सिखाएगा, और अब पहले जैसा कुछ भी नहीं रह जाएगा, चित्रण जैसी मदहोशी में अब इतने बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स कौन लिख जाएगा, और मानिक जैसे एंकरिंग करने के लिए अब कौन नाक में दम कर जाएगा. Please don't feel bad if I did not take your name, because you know that I can't take 80 names in one video, and just know that all of you are really very special to me, and all of you are one in a kind. You all are different. That's what makes you special. Also, as a teacher, I would only want to give you one golden mantra for life. Just be good. Most important thing, and I think that's the only way to success. Mark my words. Batch 2017-20. Department of English, Traffic-Era Hill University is one of the most amazing, adorable batches till date. I love you all. Stay happy, stay healthy.
The time to say goodbye, but obviously I thought I was stronger than I would, but I just discovered that having to say goodbye to you is far the hardest thing I have ever had to do. Saying this literally brings tears to my eyes, as I know how we are doing this. We never imagined that the farewell to you all would be like this, but yes, the trying time during this pandemic we are living in has brought us to this, saying goodbye to you all from our homes. But believe me, our hearts too are aching as badly as yours, because we wanted it to be more than this virtual one. We had lots of plans, we had a lot of things in our mind to do for your farewell, but there are certain things which are meant to be, which we can't avoid. With my parting words, I wish you to be the best in whatever you want to do in your lives. Some of you may join back the university for your higher degrees, for your higher studies, but those who are really planning to leave the university, I would just add that no amount of distance can reduce the bond that we share with you. We'll always be there for you, just at the distance of a call. With this, I just add, We love you all and farewell to you all.
Of the very many memories that I can recount, the one that is my absolute favorite is rewalking into CR 205, and you very well know what I mean by rewalking, and finding some fools still standing every single time without fail, absolutely disoriented. That's the image of the class, half standing, half sitting, is what will always crack me up. Hello, third years. I'm sure by now you have received multiple suggestions and tips on how to lead your life forward henceforth. And the only suggestion that I would want to give to you, and the one suggestion that I have lived by, is that all of you will end up in different walks of life. And the only way that you can remain at the zenith of your position is by remaining true to the student in you. Learn, unlearn, investigate, dissect everything that the world has to offer to you at every step of the way. Have a fire in your belly all the time. Every morning that you wake up to must smell of possibilities. You must be able to conquer and seize the day. And to all those of you who are walking out of academia into a profession of their interest and who feel, well, all those books that I read in the past 3 years did not really amount to anything, I want to tell you, without indulging in scatology, is that all the food you ate as a kid, you neither have it in your body nor do you have any memory of it. But all that food has made up for your flesh and bone today. And it's very similar for literature, for books, and for stories. You are living all the stories that you've read. They've become a permanent part of you. And anyway, what is this world if not a bunch of stories? Look around you. Third years, I want to congratulate you and I wish you all the very best for your life henceforth. May you all succeed with flying colors in whatever you lay your hands on. And we may have had a roller coaster ride so far, but I only wish to remember the very beautiful parts of this very small but intense journey of ours. All the very best, congratulations, and on that note, as they say, it's not a goodbye, it's a see you later.